Today we're going to make chocolate eclair cake. For the crust of the cake, we will need 4 large eggs, 1 cup of flour, a half a cup of butter, and 1 cup of water. For the filling of the cake, you will need 1 large box of vanilla pudding, 3 cups of milk, 1 package of cream cheese, and for the whipped topping, we will need 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and some vanilla.
Today we're going to make our own whipped topping. A lot of whipped topping you buy at the grocery store has high fructose corn syrup in it. And high fructose corn syrup is an artificial sugar made from corn syrup, and it is linked to a lot of serious health problems. So we really try to avoid it as much as possible, which is really hard to do because a ton of foods at the grocery store have high fructose corn syrup in it. And so this is one of those foods that we can easily make ourselves from scratch, and we can choose exactly what ingredients go in there. So we're going to have heavy cream, organic sugar, and real vanilla in this whipped topping, and it's super easy to make, and you're going to love it, and you're never going to want to buy the whipped topping from the store again.
If you want to see more videos, please subscribe and comment down below.